working with assemblies in SOLIDWORKS, the mate is an invaluable tool. The tools help you ensure that your components are placed properly. Usually, the mate tool can be used in conjunction with two components. But what if you have the multiple components all need to be placed on the same face? For this, you can use the multiple mate mode. Go to Mates and at the Mate selection select Multiple Mate Mode. Now your secondary selection window expands. The first window is the entity you want to mate to. And the secondary is the multiple components, in this case the fittings. Select your primary mate entry and the mate type. And finally select the components to mate to the primary entry. All of the components are mated to the entry.